Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how can you fix Steam overlay not working. If you're having issue in the Steam application, then you could follow the steps. First of all, you want to go ahead and open up the Steam and go to library, or you could actually press on Steam from the top right. Then you want to go to settings, and as you go to settings, this is how it's going to look like. So after which, from the left hand sidebar, go to in-game, and here you want to go ahead and make sure that you've actually enabled the Steam overlay while in the game. And after which, you also want to scroll down and you want to see overlay shortcut, and you could go ahead and use this as well. After you've done it, so you should be able to fix it. So now exit out to this page and try logging in and see whether the issue has been solved or not. After which, here you could go ahead and locate the game. Unfortunately, I have not played a single game, so you could see in the library section there is none. But what you need to do is you want to locate the particular game that you're having issue with, and then right click on the mouse and go to properties, and there as well you need to make sure to enable the overlay. After you've done it, so this should be able to fix it. So and try closing the Steam application completely and restart your device and see whether the issue has been solved or not. If still the issue persists on, then what you could do is you would go ahead and tap on this arrow button, and from here you want to go ahead and right click on the mouse when you locate the Steam icon, and you want to click on Steam exits. As you've done it, so you want to you've completely closed it, and once again at the bottom of the page you want to right click on the mouse and go to Task Manager. When you go to Task Manager, here on the search box you want to locate Steam, and you want to go ahead and end the task. When you locate Steam, just right click on the mouse and click on end task and restart your device, and once again re-log in. That should be able to fix the issue all at once. So these are some of the ways, or some of the common ways, in order to fix Steam overlay not working. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.